Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make no-bake s'mores bars. Now, I was born and raised here in Ohio, and any Ohioan can tell you that Ohio weather does not always cooperate how you might want it to. So, what can you do if you're craving s'mores, but it's raining or even snowing? Well, we can make these no-bake bars. So these no-bake s'mores bars just have a few ingredients, and they're really easy to make. We're going to need some chocolate chips. This can be milk chocolate or semi-sweet. We are going to need a tablespoon of shortening. You could also use vegetable oil. We need 2 cups of mini marshmallows. And we're also going to need 2 cups of Golden Grahams cereal. Now, the first thing we want to do is line an 8x8-inch pan with aluminum foil and then spray it with cooking spray. So this is going to make everything a little easier to remove when the time comes. Spray. Spray again, be safe. All right, I'm going to set this aside. The next thing I want to do is to put my chocolate chips and shortening or oil in a large-ish microwave-safe bowl, and we're going to heat that up until it is nice and melted and smooth. The next thing I'm going to do is take a large bowl, and I'm going to put 2 cups of Golden Grahams in it. Followed by 2 cups of our mini marshmallows. Go a little more. They're clumping together, break them up. Okay, so we are going to pour in our chocolate next. It smells really good. I know it's just melted chocolate, but it smells good. And we're going to mix it all together, with our final step being putting it in our pan that we prepared earlier. So this is our messy step because I'm actually going to compact it down. You could use a spatula or, use your hands. So it's nice and smushed down. So when they've hardened, we can cut them into bars. to it, I'm going to chill these in the refrigerator until they are set. And once they're hardened, I can cut them into squares. I will say these get kind of melty, so I suggest keeping them in the refrigerator if you're not eating them right away. They're going to taste best if you let them sit at room temperature for a few minutes, though. You can store these in an airtight container, and they're going to last for up to a week. So enjoy your s'mores regardless of the weather outside. Thank you for joining me for today's library kitchen.